is going on in the real estate market? Now, we have been getting a lot of questions about how our Sacramento real estate market is faring with the current coronavirus pandemic. So here we have the latest market update for April 2020. We have some good news, some bad news, and of course some uncertainty on our horizon for our Sacramento area market. Well, first things first, let's start with the good news. We saw a 6.7% increase in average home prices from this same time last year in 2019. And we are now sitting at an average home price of $433,000. This is a $27,000 price increase. Wow. We also saw a 33% decrease in average days on market from this time last year in 2019. And we're now sitting at an average days on market of 28, which is down 14 days from the same time last year. And according to the Sacramento Association of Realtors, the number of local homes, condos, and townhomes sold in April was 952, a 35.8% decrease from the same time last year. But the good news is that we now have 15.5% more homes on the market in this first week of May than we had in the first week of April. There are now 1,587 homes for sale in our region. Now, of course, the not so good outlook is that we still don't know how May is going to fare in terms of bank delays, investors pulling from the mortgage market, and more layoffs forcing buyers to cancel. However, and this is something that I want everybody to look at, whether you are a buyer or a seller, the amount of homes available in our Sacramento area region remains low as demand continues to outpace supply. We have a 1.7 month supply of homes for sale, where 6 months is considered a balanced market. And in fact, our days on market is actually down to 28 days, which is a 33% decrease from the same time last year. Interest rates continue to remain historically low, hovering in the threes, which means money is cheap, and it's still an amazing time to purchase or refinance your current home. And finally, especially directed to sellers, if you do not have a strong digital marketing presence online, you may be forcing tons of buyers to pass on seeing your listing in person. And now more than ever, all homes are not making the cut for buyers to see in person. This means that this could make your home sit on the market longer and possibly fetch less money as it sits and sits and sits. Here at Coyleandverberne Real Estate, we're still conducting business as usual. We're utilizing all of our digital technology and videography to sell our listings and get buyers into homes. In fact, we just contracted 2 more buyers, one of which never stepped foot in the property. If sellers aren't offering a virtual video and a virtual tour or Matterport of their property, then we're going to go to the property personally and we'll send you one. We're happy to help anyone needing our services, so please like, comment, or share.